as to the same source of the latter. Whereas, it is in the best interest and welfare of the members of the San Agustin ISA to become part of the bigger Talibon SRIS and be directly supervised and managed by the NIA BIIS than remain in the auspices of the NIA Bohol Cebu Emo. Now therefore, for and in consideration of the foregoing premises and by authority of the provisions of Republic Act No. 3601 as amended by the Presidential Decree 552 and 1702, the guiding principles and the rules of and regulations of the NIA, which are incorporated as an integral part of this agreement, the parties have agreed, and by this presence do hereby agree as follows to it. On the part of the NIA Bohol Cebu Emo, 1. The NIA Bohol Cebu Emo shall relinquish its supervisory functions over this association and the San Agustin Comunal Irrigation System, which will now be under the full responsibility of NIA BIIS. 2. All financial obligations of the association to NIA Bohol Cebu Emo shall be ended unless otherwise reinstated. 3. The NIA Bohol Cebu Emo shall turn over to NIA BIIS all records pertaining to the association before the start of the 2012 second cropping season. On the part of NIA BIIS, 1. Every end of the cropping season, the NIA BIIS shall collect irrigation service fees from all member beneficiaries of San Agustin ISA at a rate consistent with government policies. 2. The NIA BIIS shall endeavor to facilitate the association by providing timely and effective interventions and empower the members through training and other activities. On the part of San Agustin Irrigator Service Association, 1. Association shall remit the amount of 26,000 pesos, representing 50% of its annual amortization to the NIA Bohol Cebu Emo as its last and final CIS amortization payment. 2. As part of the Talibon SRIS, the association shall force its members to pay as an ISF to NIA BIIS starting immediately after the harvest of calendar year 2012 second cropping season and every end of the cropping season thereafter. 3. The association shall endeavor to equip itself with the knowledge and skills needed to run an effective and viable organization. 4. The association shall submit itself to NIA BIIS supervision to safeguard that the provisions of this agreement shall be faithfully observed and that the interests of the members are protected. In witness hereof, the parties to this agreement have hereunto signed this instrument the 2nd day of May 2012 at Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Philippines. NIA Bohol Cebu Emo by Vilma Uruwayan, Assistant Head, Bohol Cebu Emo. On part of NIA Bohol Integrated Irrigation System by Franklin F. Musingan, Officer in Charge of the IIS. On part of San Agustin Irrigator Service Association by Sergio Diostero, the IIS President. Witnesses Pacifico de Alferrero Jr., I District Bohol Cebu Emo, and Linda Tribono, I Secretary. To be approved by Diosdado A. Rosales, Acting Regional Manager, NIA Region 7.